Welcome back. It is 6:24 on Daybreak. Into Your Money this week, which is sponsored by the Stam Law Firm. The attorneys are taking a deep dive into irrevocable trusts and how they can benefit people.
And Heroes 2 on your sides, Kelly Dudzik.
Attorneys Bradley Stam and Brian Stam say an irrevocable trust is a way to plan and protect your assets.
It is a legal document that we call it a will substitute because it reads like a will. You have a distribution scheme. You know, when I pass away or my wife is second to pass away, we want our stuff to go to our kids or grandkids. So it reads a lot like a will, but is incredibly important and has a lot of value.
Bradley Stam says that's because after 5 years, it's guaranteed to be protected.
Once it gets past 5 years, you can apply for Medicaid at any point in time you need it. But because they only go back 5, they will never see the trust, because that trust has been in existence long beyond the 5-year mark. That's where you can fully protect it. Because they can't inquire about it, everything in there is protected.
And irrevocable trusts are private.
When you have a will, you go to probate, and that's published. That becomes public knowledge. The court's involved, other people can be involved, other family members who aren't in the will can get involved. When you have a trust, it's a private document between you and your trustee. And eventually, when you pass, your trustee is required to reach out to those beneficiaries.
They say they most commonly see people in their mid-60s establishing irrevocable trusts.
If you're younger, you may not want to do an irrevocable trust. You may want to look at a revocable trust, because an irrevocable trust has some restrictions. Once you put an asset in, your house, money, cash, stocks, you can't have it back personally and go on a cruise, because that's the whole idea. You're giving it for the future, to the future generation, to your kids, to the grandkids, whoever. So it's a conversation we have with our clients. Are you ready to do that yet, or do you just need something different, which is like a revocable trust?
On your side, Kelly Dudzik, Channel 2 News.